SturdiMount fixture blocks are a handy accessory to TruExterior trim installations. Position the fixture block and fasten to the wall on top of the weather-resistant barrier. Nail or screw the block plumb and level. You'll want to cut a flap in the weather-resistant barrier over the top of the block to create a drainage plane and temporarily pin it back. Then, using flashing tape, tape both vertical sides of the SturdiMount block. When you complete that, then tape the head. Fold down the flap over the flashing tape and seal the side cuts of the flap with small pieces of flashing tape. Be sure to roll the tape to obtain the best adhesion to the weather-resistant barrier. Proper installation will result in a watertight seal that would often be difficult to accomplish when installing a fixture directed to a siding surface.